The flashing strobe light, the unit has 3 types of flash, so this is a quick double flash, which I prefer. All the LEDs are driven off the unit. At the moment I've got it set for mode 1, where it closes the main gear doors after the gear comes out, but a jumper will change that mode. That's not true to scale, but it'll stop the gear doors getting ripped off on bad landings on grass. You might have noticed a landing gear light only comes on once the retract is fully extended. The control unit's roughly the same size as the blue box that comes with the F18. I had enough space under the battery tray, that's where I used to have the blue box just to control the lights. But I just wanted it up in an easy accessible area because you have the USB connection, so I can update firmware or make extra changes that I want. The batteries don't come quite that far back anyway, so it's no problem putting in that corner.